What's new, AU? My name is Trey Wood with Facilities Management Communications, and this is the newly renovated Melton Student Center Game Room, a facilities project recently completed in coordination with Student Affairs. 40 plus high-end gaming PCs, Xbox Series S's, PS5s, and Nintendo Switches, as well as classic arcade machines, streamer rooms, and an esports stage ready to showcase the best in competitive collegiate gaming, all right here at Auburn University.
It was important for us to get it open before summer because there's a lot of students who have worked hard, and we've talked about this for a long time, that are graduating, and so we wanted to make sure that it could open. The priority was getting it open for the students. There's a lot of stages that go into the construction process. Tyler Hand was our project manager, working with Let's, who's one of the main contractors that works on campus right now. Created great partnerships and then wanting a great experience for the students. So working with our schedule and pushing it as quickly as we could to get it open for these students.
Oh, see ya.
Well, that's why we invested in what we did so that it could be open. I mean, that was the main goal for all this, is accessibility. People that enjoy this, it's better to do it with a group than by yourself in your dorm or something.